Good to have you here on this channel watching this video. You're welcome. Thank you so much. So we decided to go to the tomatoes market to do some stew, amazing stew. Okay, so I actually want to take you along how it went in the tomatoes market. You know, we've gotten into December, that's Christmas period. Okay, how's tomatoes in your area? For me, it still looks a little bit expensive. I don't know for your part, for where you are staying, your area. Please, how does it look? How much is it? Please, let's discuss it. Let's discuss it in the comment section so we can know if somebody is cheating somebody here or we're actually doing the right thing. Okay? I actually went to this tomatoes market. And wow, the prices I heard. So that's why I want us to discuss this. Okay. So imagine, this basket you're seeing, you're telling me 10,000 naira. I don't know if it is fair. And this custard rubber that you are seeing, okay, they said 4-5. They said I can get it for 4,000. But this is festive period. Is it not supposed to come down? Is it not supposed to be cheaper? Okay. And I actually went to the Zobo area. You know, I've been doing a lot of Zobo. Watch my previous videos. You're going to be seeing. So this is the leaf. This is the hibiscus leaf that I used to do my Zobo. This is a Zobo leaf. These are tiger nuts. That's the leaf. That's the hibiscus you're seeing there. Okay, you use it to do Zobo, and this is day. So you can use this to do your different types of drink. That's it. That's the hibiscus. Yes, that's for Zobo. Okay, so in case you've not seen the leaf before, this is it. This is it. And these are the flavors. They have the flavors that you can use to do Zobo. And the tiger nut drink, I actually bought tiger nut. Okay, I bought coconut. I bought the date. So I'll be able to do a different drink apart from Zobo. You know, I told you people in my previous video that please let's try to drink healthy drink and scrap soda, please. If you can scrap soda, not if you can just try to scrap soda away. Yes. So do this kind of drink that actually healthy. Okay. So after that, I actually went to grind my tomatoes. Yes. So I went to grind my tomatoes. So this is the girl trying to prepare it, clean up for me so I can just grind it. Okay. So actually didn't want to use my blender yet, but from now on, now that I've gotten another blender that you're going to be seeing in my next video, then we are not going to be doing this anymore. Yes, we're not going to be doing this anymore because some people feel it's not hygiene. But when you are in charge of it, wherever you're doing it, you can always make it look, you can always make it hygiene. Yes, by controlling and also talking to the person, please help me wash it well. Whatever machine, whatever you're going to be using, please wash it and make it clean. Using this commercial method is actually good for those that want to do bulky tomatoes, want to grind tomatoes for occasion, you know, parties. It's a little bit easier to use it this way. Thank you so much for staying pure till the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, and I appreciate you so much. Thank you.